my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this week's video. Welcome back to those of you who keep coming back. My online friends, you guys are amazing. I say it every week. You really, really are. Your time, your support, and you guys who purchase from my brand, Amari Me, thank you so much. And if you're new to this channel, you might want to consider subscribing. But first, just watch the video, okay? I thought I will put a little video together to give you some small tips, you know, some small. But these are some of the tips I feel that these will help, along with your other routine, help keep your hair moisturized and hydrated so that you can get maximum length retention every single month. Right, let's get on with it, okay? Now for this week, I'm going to be just giving you a few tips on how to properly hydrate and moisturize your hair. It's a lot of information to digest, okay? Okay, so those of you who are new to this channel, you wouldn't know, but I usually introduce the hair every time I start switching on the video. This is what day is it? This is day 6. Day 6, wash and go. Look at the moisture. Can you see? The moisture is rich on my hair. Take note of the hair. It's quite shrunken because this weather is really humid outside. The UK weather is not my friend right now. Trust me, it will revert your hair in a second. But more importantly, my hair is very healthy at the moment. And I'm so pleased because we are entering into the autumn stage, or we are here already. And we want to make sure that we've got hair at the end of winter. So there's a few things we need to do. Now, just before I get straight into it, I get so many people emailing me where people ask me,
how do I moisturize my hair? How do I retain moisture? My hair's breaking off. My hair is so dry. Please help me. Help me.
And I want to help, but I'm not qualified, as in I don't have a certificate, but I have a little bit of experience having my own brand and formulating, and for a little while I have been tracking how I've been moisturizing my hair, because my hair retains moisture for days. Yes, using the right products does help. You know, you've got to have the understanding of what hydration is and what moisturization is, because there is a difference. Okay. Now, on last week's video, did you watch it? Hey, did you watch the video? I'll link it up here. I did mention many times about hydration and moisturizing are two different things. So first of all, we need to understand what hydrating is and what moisturizing is. So when we think about hydrating the hair, all hydrating is the process of improving the absorption of water and nutrients so that the hair holds and retains the moisture. It's very simple. It is the doorway. Okay, it's the doorway in there. Okay, I'm coming. Get your notebook. So if that's hydrating the hair, it's like the door open. Moisturizing is the process of using butters and oils to coat the outer surface, sealing and locking down. So in simpler terms, we have to hydrate the hair. We have to feed our hair fiber. We have to feed the hair with nourishment, with water, with nutrients before we actually moisturize it and seal up and coat the hair strand. Okay, I'm going to simplify it again because I'm going to have somebody in the comments. I know it. So when we're thinking about hydration, it is literally referring to the initial layers of the hair. We're talking the inner side, inside the hair strands. I'm coming. Wait a minute. Whilst moisturizing applies to the outer layers of the hair strand. You'll get it now. Okay, so some tips of properly hydrating and moisturizing your hair in no particular order. I've got my little notes here. For this particular tip, it's so obvious, but we often don't do it, and that's just to drink water. Water will bring hydration to your body. As you can see here, this is 850 mils. I drink 2 of these, and I'm trying to stretch myself to drink 3 of these, or at least 2.5. That's my own goal. Drinking more water, making sure your body is hydrated is one of the ways to help train your hair to receive hydration and moisture, simply by just drinking the water. Just drink the water. Just drink it. Another tip I feel that will really help is another obvious one, but it really does help, is by stepping up your routine with deep conditioning. You could also switch to a richer conditioner, one that's more hydrating, one that focuses on moisturizing the hair. You could also add those ingredients into your already shop bought conditioner, be it honey, or even you could try avocado oil or even vegetable glycerin. All are great humectants, will draw moisture from the air. Another step which I feel that is really overlooked: do not wait until your hair is actually dry. By then the hair is already saying, help me, I'm so parched. Your hair's dry. Look, listen, I'm guilty of that as well. I've done it. I can be a lazy natural, but of recent times I've noticed I'm not waiting until my hair's dry. I just have a routine that just hydrates my hair. One way you could make sure that your hair never gets dry, if your wash day, let's say, is on Sunday, by Wednesday, you can do a hot oil treatment. Again, you can get your favorite oil. Mine is the Amari Me grape oil. Shameless plug, I know. But I use this to grease my scalp and also just to give myself a nice scalp massage. But I also use this oil for a midweek boost of moisture because I know when I do my hot oil treatments, it makes such a difference. Furthermore, as a side note, when you are using the ingredients, make sure they are wonderful. I strongly advise you to use DIYs, which are amazing. Go and find some really great ingredients that are rich in moisture and hydration. I've already mentioned a few. Now, another tip that I thought is very good at, retaining the hydration and moisture is to use a steamer whilst applying your products. Let me tell you, this is a good one. If you're not doing it already, you might want to try it. This is actually my face steamer that I use, but I don't want to buy another steamer. Now I use this when I'm applying the product to my hair, and I also use it during the midweek booster when I'm revitalizing my hair, just giving my hair some more moisture and hydration. And I simply just place my strands right above the steamer and apply my product. As the steam does the work to open up the cuticles, there I am really, going in and making sure the product is, getting in there. Now this one, I have to say, this little thing that I'm doing with the steamer has really helped my hair. Like, it really has. My hair after is just looking lovely. And it just retains the moisture so well for so long. Hello. Hi again. Now, if you haven't got a steamer, I'm not about pushing products to you guys, okay? And this is not a sponsored video, but if you do have a facial steamer, it's a great way of doubling up, giving yourself a facial and applying your products at the same time. But if you don't have the coin for that, you can also just boil some water, put it in a large bowl, and just put the towel over your head and just get the products in under there. Simple, done. We are not trying to make you go into debt, okay? Now, another tip I feel that's overlooked sometimes: try avoid washing your hair with hot boiling, well, not boiling water because you will burn your scalp, but avoid using hot water whilst washing your hair. Warm water is always better because hot water strips your hair with all its natural goodness, leaving your hair feeling really dry. And then you go and dry your hair. Chale, don't do it, okay? Avoid it. Right, another one. This one is a little bit controversial because some people like silicones. Right, let me just give you some information. I might have to read this one. I'm just gonna read it off here, all right? It'll be a lot easier. Silicones help your hair look shiny and smooth. Are you listening, huh? But they can only be removed with sulfates. Yeah, that one. If you don't remove the silicones properly, okay, they will lead to buildup, which can cause your hair to look limp and dull. Sulfates are harsh. I said it. They are harsh, okay? They are harsh cleaning agents found in many household cleaners. Think about it on your hair. Not a good look, eh? And another thing, I know silicones can make your hair look so shiny, make your hair look fine. They also leave your hair feeling very brittle and dry. Okay, so another tip, pre-pooing your hair is a must. I used to think that pre-pooing my hair was a waste of time. My night before I'm going to do wash day. What are you talking? Do you know how long the wash day is? Now you want to hijack my night before. Wash day is a long thing for some of us. Pre-pooing my hair, not only does it make a wash day easy, it actually infuses my hair, my scalp and my hair strands with nourishment. I feel like I've got it now. I feel like I've actually found some tips. My hair routine is a healthy hair routine that gives me super hydration and helps me retain the moisture. Steaming my hair whilst applying the products has massively helped. Using the products that are pure and clean and really nourishing for my hair has helped. Stepping up my deep conditioning treatments, doing weekly additional hot oil treatments to maximize the moisture level has massively helped. And of course, you are what you eat. So I make sure that I hydrate my body. So guys, we need to keep this video interactive. Share your points on how you hydrate your hair, how you keep your hair moisturized. We want to know all about it, and we can keep this going because we want to help others. Share all your ingredients. Come on guys, let us help those sisters and brothers, because I know there are a few of you watching me, you know, my bros out there that want to grow healthy hair. We can do it. We can do it together. When I start getting stupid, you know, it's time to go. Okay? I got to shut the thing down. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have watched it to this far without, you know, double tapping it to move 10 seconds forward, you better subscribe now. You might as well. Hey guys, I will see you again in my next video. You take care and God bless you. Bye.